the Kansas City Chiefs select DJ White, defensive back, Georgia Tech.
All right, there you have it. The Yellow Jacket making his way onto the Kansas City Chiefs roster. Lance, your evaluation.
Yeah, the Chiefs now, I like DJ White a lot. I think DJ White is a good cornerback. He's not the biggest guy out there. DJ White's got good speed. He is pretty well put together as a talent. He's like Eric Murray we talked about earlier. I actually thought DJ White was the better cornerback of the two, and Kansas City grabbed Eric Murray earlier from Minnesota. Bucky, 3 cornerbacks now off the board, 2 wide receivers for Kansas City. They're throwing them all at the 2 positions, too.
Run them all, put them all in the room, let them sink or swim, especially when you have a huge question mark at cornerback. Marcus Peters is going to be your guy. He's a Pro Bowl caliber player. Now you need to find someone that can be his playmate on the opposite side, expand multiple picks, see which one of those young guys can get it done. That guy gets into the starting lineup.
Yeah.